Let's solve. October-November 2025. Computer Science Past Paper. With Rabia. A student has an electronic calculator. The calculator has a screen that displays the result of calculations. The calculator has 8-bit registers. State the highest denary number that could be stored in a single 8-bit register. The highest denary number that can be stored in a single 8-bit register is 255. An 8-bit register can store 8 binary digits. Each bit can be either 0 or 1. The maximum value is when all bits are 1. Converting this binary number to denary equals 255. Denary numbers are typed into the calculator. They are converted to binary numbers and stored in the 8-bit registers. The student types in the denary number 23 and the denary number 168. Give the 8-bit binary numbers that are stored in the registers for these two denary numbers. The result of a calculation that is stored in a register is the binary number 00001011. Give the denary number that will be displayed on the screen for this binary number. Answer is 11. An employee of a company sells houses. He sends images of the houses to his company. The employee compresses the image files using lossy compression before sending them. Lossy compression reduces the size of the image files. Give two other reductions that lossy compression makes to the images. Lossy compression reduces the quality of the image. Some image detail is permanently removed, so the original image cannot be fully restored. It may also reduce color depth or resolution, meaning fewer colors or pixels are used, which can make the image appear less sharp. The image data is broken down into packets to be sent across a network to the company. The destination Internet Protocol address is read by a device in the network. The device uses the IP address to forward the packet towards its correct destination. State the name of the device that reads the destination IP address. Router. Identify the part of the packet where the destination IP address is found. Packet header. The IP address has an IPv6 format. Give 3 characteristics of the IPv6 format. IPv6 addresses are 128 bits long. They are written using hexadecimal digits. Each group contains 4 hexadecimal digits. Groups are separated by colons. Consecutive groups of zeros can be replaced by double colons. An echo check is used to check for errors after the image has been transmitted. Draw and annotate a diagram to show how the echo check would detect any errors. The diagram shows data being sent to the receiver, and a copy sent back from the receiver to the sender. Sending device comparing the original data and the copy. If original data and copy don't match, an error is detected. The image data is encrypted using symmetric encryption. Tick one box to show the correct statement about symmetric encryption. Give one other type of encryption that could be used. Asymmetric encryption. A student has a portable device. He uses an on-screen keyboard to write messages to his friend. Explain how the text the student writes is converted to binary to be processed. When the student presses a key on the on-screen keyboard, each character is represented by a unique character code, such as ASCII or Unicode. This character code is a decimal number assigned to that character. The decimal character code is then converted into binary by the computer. The binary representation is what is stored in memory and processed by the processor. The device has 4 GB of random access memory. State the amount of RAM the device has in megabytes. To convert GB to megabytes, 1 GB equals 1024 MB. So, 4 times 1024 equals 4096. The device has 4096 MB of RAM. Exam tip. Always remember. GB equals MB times 1024. MB equals KB times 1024. State the amount of RAM the device has in TB. Your answer can be given rounded to 3 decimal places. To convert GB to TB, 1 TB equals 1024 GB. 4 divided by 1024 equals 0.00390625. Rounded to 3 decimal places. 0.004 TB. Exam tip. When converting to a larger unit, GB to TB, always divide by 1024. Explain why the portable device needs RAM. The portable device needs RAM to store data, programs, and instructions that are currently being used. RAM allows the processor to access this data quickly, so applications can run efficiently. It is volatile memory, meaning its contents are lost when the device is switched off. The device has a fingerprint scanner to allow the student to unlock the portable device. Mark only 3 terms that can be used to describe the fingerprint scanner. A computer game development company are reviewing their current security solutions. The company wants employees to be aware of how they can identify phishing. Describe the process of phishing. Phishing is a process where a cyber criminal sends a legitimate-looking email that appears to come from a trusted organization. The email encourages the user to click on a link or reply to the message. The link takes the user to a fake website that looks genuine. The user is tricked into entering personal or sensitive information, such as passwords or bank details, which are then stolen and used by a third party for malicious purposes. Give 2 ways an employee could identify phishing. An employee can identify phishing by checking the sender's email address to see if it is genuine. They should also look for poor spelling, grammar, or an unusual tone in the email. In addition, they can check the URL of any links to see if it matches the official website and does not look suspicious. The company has installed anti-malware software on all employees' computers. Give 3 examples of malware that anti-malware software can detect. Examples of malware that anti-malware software can detect include viruses, worms, Trojan horses, spyware, such as keyloggers, ransomware, and adware.